Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, in the previous video session, we have discussed about the characteristics of principles of management and the importance of principles of management. In today's video session, we will discuss about the fundamental principles of management given by Sir Henry Fayol. So, Sir Henry Fayol was born in 1841 and died in 1925, and he has given the 14 principles of management and the elements of management, which is also known as the functions of management. So, the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling concepts or elements were given by Sir Henry Fayol, and 14 principles were also given by Sir Henry Fayol. Sir Henry Fayol was known as father of management as well. So he has given 14 principles of management. So the first principle which he has given, that is division of work. So according to this principle, each individual should be assigned only one part of the work according to his ability and taste. यानी कि the whole work should be divided into this small task. So each individual should assign one part of work according to his capability, according to his ability, and according to his taste. So if we will apply this principle in the organization, we will get the benefit of specialization, because whole work is done by the specialized person. Violating effect. If we will violate this principle, if we do not apply this principle in the organization, because of repetition of the same job for a long period, one may feel bored, hence efficiency will be reduced. अगर एक ही काम वो बार बार करे जाएगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, बंदा बोर हो जाएगा और उसकी एफिशिएंसी है वो क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. सेकेंड प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन बाय हेनरी फ्योल वाज अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो देयर शुड बी बैलेंस बिटवीन अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ना तो किसी को ज़्यादा अथॉरिटी दो, ना किसी को ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दो. तो अथॉरिटी इज़ पावर टू टेक डिसीजन एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ ऑब्लिगेशन टू परफॉर्म द वर्क. सो देयर शुड बी बैलेंस. अगर हम किसी को ज़्यादा अथॉरिटी देंगे तो वो उस अथॉरिटी का मिसमैनेज करना शुरू कर देगा, और if we will give more responsibility, then the person will feel overburdened. So there should be balance between authority and responsibility. Then come positive effect. If we will follow this principle in the organization, it increases the confidence of the employees, because we have given authority as well as responsibility. If we will not use this principle, if we will violate this principle, there may be wrong use of authority. Authority will be wrongly used. In case more or less authority is given than is needed. So there should be balance between authority and responsibility. Third principle which was given by Henry Fayol was, that is principle of discipline. Discipline is the obedience to organizational rules and employment agreement. तो डिसिप्लिन का क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू ओबे द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल रूल्स and employment agreement. So you should follow the discipline in the organization so that reputation can be maintained. Positive effect. If we can say that apply this principle in our organization, there will be better labor management relationship. अगर discipline होएगा तो there will be better labor and management relationship. अगर हम इस principle को violate करते हैं, अगर नहीं मानते हैं, तो there will be height of disorder. There will be height of disorder. मतलब पता ही नहीं लगेगा कि किस बंदे ने क्या काम करना है, एंड देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, लॉट्स ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज. देन कम्स द फोर्थ प्रिंसिपल, दैट इज यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस प्रिंसिपल देयर शुड बी वन एंड ओनली वन बॉस फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल एम्प्लॉय, एंड द पर्सन शुड रिसीव द ऑर्डर फ्रॉम वन बॉस ओनली. If they will receive the orders from more than one boss, then ultimately there will be chances of chaos, there will be chances of excuses given by the employee. What happen if we will follow this principle? The efficiency of the subordinate increases. यानी कि जो efficiency है subordinate की वो क्या हो जाएगी, increase होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, because you have to done that particular work which you have received from single boss only. Violating conflicts due to the injured ego of the superiors. अगर हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा बॉसेस से ऑर्डर मिलेगा तो जो सबॉर्डिनेट है वो काम किसी का नहीं करेगा और ये कहेगा कि मैं बॉस 2 का काम कर रहा था और या फिर बॉस 3 का काम कर रहा था. इससे क्या है, जो सुपीरियर्स की ईगो है वो क्या हो जाएगी, इंजर्ड हो जाएगी. सो इफ वी विल वायलेट दिस प्रिंसिपल. सो इन दिस वीडियो सेशन वी हैव डिस्कस 4 principles of management: division of work, principle of discipline, authority and responsibility, and unity of command. So please watch this video very carefully, and I will sort your queries in the next Google Meet session. Thanks and have a nice day.